We're going to go into our next segment of this. So as you think about starting your path today in middle, high school, or even elementary school, to the various things that you need to do, one of the best things you can get involved with is your student clubs and activities. And today we would not have this program if it weren't for our partnership with the Missouri Department of Elementary and Secondary Education and their guidance and leadership with Shelley Wellmeyer, Director of Health Science and Education, and partner Steve Bryant, Manager of Career Pathways. And we thank you so much for being a part of our program and helping put this on and sharing out those resources to schools. But we're excited to have one of your peers with us today. Sanjana Anand is from Liberty High School in Wentzville, Missouri, and she is the 2022 State Vice President for Missouri HOSA. Sanjana, thank you for joining us and closing out our program and presenting a little bit about your pathway and why it's so important for students to get involved.
Hi everyone, my name is Sanjana Anand and I am Missouri HOSA's State Vice President of Communications for the 2021-2022 school year. I'm a senior at Liberty High School in Lake St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you so much for having me here today. I'd like to first start off by introducing what HOSA is. HOSA Future Health Professionals is an international career and technical student organization recognized by the United States Department of Education and is dedicated to promoting skill and development as well as career opportunities in the healthcare industry for students. I was first drawn to HOSA as a freshman in high school as I knew that I was interested in healthcare. I didn't realize how impactful this organization would be and how many relationships and memories that I would create. Hoping to make friends, I decided to try HOSA and learn what it was all about. Looking back as a senior, I am so grateful that I decided to attend that first meeting as it has completely transformed my life. Through HOSA, I've had the opportunity to understand what it takes to become a health professional. Healthcare professionals are able to make a difference in people's lives and contribute to creating a healthier world. Every day is unique with different challenges that require these professionals to be innovative, creative, flexible, and patient. They're able to work with a diverse group of people and provide reassurance and hope. I enjoyed the collaborative, challenging, and rewarding nature of healthcare and hope to become an emergency physician in the future. To prepare for a career in healthcare, I've taken numerous science-related classes throughout high school. I've also pursued research opportunities, whether that may be through taking courses such as independent science research and working with a mentor to design my own research project, or through summer internships that have allowed me to explore topics such as viruses and mosquito vector-borne diseases. Through HOSA, I've been able to attend 3 state and international leadership development conferences, where I connected with people from all over the world who had the same passion for healthcare that I did. At the International Leadership Conference, I was able to attend lectures by medical professionals that guided me towards planning my own path in becoming a physician, and I'm still in contact with the large majority of people that I met. In my local community, I've helped organize blood drives, fundraised for various charities, and conducted STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, events targeting the youth. I've been able to write and present research papers, helping me gain knowledge about various medical-related topics. The overall atmosphere, the speakers, the events, and the shared enthusiasm encouraged me into taking the role of an officer at my school's chapter and as a state officer representing Missouri HOSA. As a state officer, I've been able to attend training in Washington, D.C. and Jefferson City, learning how to advocate on healthcare-related issues and focus on my personal development as a leader in healthcare. I've assisted in organizing a fall leadership conference focused on local chapter development and individual and team leadership skills, helped develop a competitive events workshop to assist student members in focusing on their strengths and technical skills, and have had the opportunity to communicate with over Missouri HOSA's over 3,000 members. HOSA has shaped me into who I am today, and I have grown so much from that shy freshman I once was to a confident and motivated leader. My favorite memory in Jose is visiting the monuments in Washington, D.C. with state officers from all over the world and being able to maintain these relationships, even to this day. I'm able to watch other HOSA chapters grow while being able to bounce back ideas to improve and grow Missouri HOSA as well. HOSA is a place where individuals make a difference in their community, and it has taught me the skills necessary to make an impactful difference in people's lives and has prepared me for college and beyond. It is so important for students to engage in opportunities such as HOSA, as it helps them build self-confidence, motivation, and enthusiasm, all while strengthening their academic and technical skills to shape them into future health professionals, creating a difference in the world. Thank you so much.
Sanjana, thank you so much for your closing remarks for us today. You hit on so many key things, which it's so vital for young people like yourself and all around the state of Missouri and beyond to get involved with clubs and activities like HOSA early on in your high school career, because it sets you apart from everybody else and it puts you on a path and a trajectory to be on your way in the healthcare profession and be our next level and generation of healthcare heroes. Thank you for joining us, and continue on with your success at Liberty High School in Wentzville and beyond as you choose your healthcare profession. Now I want to turn it over to Mr. Dan Meehan, President and CEO of the Missouri Chamber of Commerce, to close us out for our program today. Dan?
Thank you, Brian, and thanks to everyone who joined us for our first ever Healthcare Career Day. Thousands of students were part of today's program. We had students from communities across the state of Missouri. We also had participants from as far away as Ohio, Texas, California, New York, and many other states. I hope that today's event gave you the sense that there are great healthcare opportunities available for you right here in Missouri. Our state has outstanding healthcare facilities that are looking for people like you to join teams of healthcare heroes. Missouri also has some of the very best colleges where you can learn what it takes to be successful in our growing healthcare industry. As we conclude today's event, I want to remind everyone that this would not be possible without the support of our partners. The Missouri Chamber was proud to partner with the Missouri Hospital Association and the Missouri Department of Elementary and Secondary Education to create this event. I want to especially thank Jill Wilson and Jean Kilt at the Missouri Hospital Association for lining up today's host hospitals. I also want to recognize Shelley Waymeyer and Steve Bryant at the Missouri Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, who helped promote this event across Missouri and beyond. In closing, I want to urge you once more to consider a career in healthcare. If you need help as you start along this path, look no further than the healthcare leaders and sponsors that were part of today's program. We are ready to help you take that next step and get started on one of these exciting careers. Thank you again for joining us today. With that, I will turn it back over to Brian to close us out for the day.
Thank you, Dan. It's great to have your support and leadership to this event, our inaugural Healthcare Career Day 2022 for Missouri. Without the Missouri Chamber's leadership in guiding the 4 key principles that we focus on in our mission to deliver the best we can to companies around the state and improve the economic development of our state, we wouldn't be here today. I also want to thank our presenting sponsors, the Chamber Benefit Plan, gold sponsors, Missouri Life Care, University of Central Missouri, Stevens College, and Jefferson College, our silver sponsors, Hannibal Regional Healthcare System, Ozark Technical Community College and Health Sciences, our bronze sponsor, Park University, and our supporting sponsor, the Missouri Behavioral Health Council and State Fair Community College. Once again, thank you for your support. With that, we conclude Healthcare Career Day 2022. This program will be available for rewatching shortly on the Missouri Chamber's Facebook page. We hope that you share it out, and we hope that you come to our website to make sure that you download resources that you need to extend your search for the next healthcare career. With that, thank you for joining us today, and thank you to all our healthcare heroes out there keeping us safe.